Lucky.
It was an open beta. Why didn't you join it?
Because I'm lazy. And let me see if I can get that same server. Oh, wait, I have a cough. King of the Hill match. That'd be fun. No, but I was able to, like, get at least... I'm able to get at least 3 videos from that one match last night, and then I already have one up at the moment.
Oh.
I saved the other one. I have converted it, too, so I just gotta edit the third one in.
Oh.
Stuff like that. You just basically split it up. You don't do anything like C-nanners.
Yeah. I just, like, all I need, like, is, like, to cut things out and, like, just to make it, like, that's a scout.
That's it.
Kill the scout. I bless you off the hill. Go off the hill. Never mind. You get backstabbed.
What is this? Oh no, is this just a melee server? Great.
Did you leave again?
I had to.
Did it crash?
My recording crashed.
So you had to leave TF2.
Oh my god, it's a melee server. Oh my god. This is amazing.
I must join.
Oh man, I gotta eat dinner.
No.
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 Maybe I have to, actually I should probably restart my computer, so yeah.
No. No.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, that's my own teammate. Oh, that's not my own teammate.
Lol. So how dominant would this spy be?
And, well, it's not that dominant. It's not, because you would need to backstab him.
Oh yeah, good point.
Okay, yeah, I gotta restart.
You
I'll
said...
be on later. I'll be on later, I promise.
Okay.
And we can record then. Maybe Minecraft.
Okay. Two, one. That's a heavy. God damn it. There is a never mind. Anyways, I'm gonna stop recording and yeah, so 2 short videos for today plus a third. I don't know about this. Like, I want to do longer videos, but I don't want to do longer videos because, like, some of them span, like, 30 minutes, and I'm just like, oh, well, oops, now that's going to take, like, 2 hours to upload and all that crap. And then it takes, like, another hour or 2 to process it, so it takes, like, 4 hours just to put up one video. And then, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, put a like, subscribe, or if you don't like it, leave now. Just kidding, you don't have to leave. Just tell me if you want more, or like tell me what games you want. And plus, if you see any games you want here, then I'll play them. Just tell me. I'm thinking of introducing Sid Meier's Civilization 5, and then yeah, and did Rust. I don't know. I don't think I've had 2 views on that, but just tell me what you want and I'll do it. So have a good night and goodbye, or good day, or whatever you want to say it. Goodbye.